Welcome back. The kale chips have been cooking in the oven at 350 degrees for approximately 12 minutes, and now they're done. Okay, so we want to see they're crispy, crunchy, crispy. That's how you know they're done. They turn they go from bright green to this darker color. Once they're done, I usually get something to put them on, like maybe a bigger cookie sheet or something. And when I make the kale chips, I usually make a bunch at a time because they go really fast. They're small, they're crunchy, and it's an excellent snack. And you sit down with a bowl of them, and next thing you know, they're gone. And to store them, so you make a big batch of them, just put them in some type of container that has a lid. Keep them at room temperature. Don't put them in the fridge because that's too much condensation. And, they'll stay crisp like this for a couple weeks. No problem. And by the way, all those kale stems, I also put in the food processor and chopped up. And now we have minced kale that I can use in upcoming recipes. So this was a quick snack for you. Kale chips, kale, olive oil, and some garlic salt. It's very simple. I hope you get a chance to make these kale chips. And also visit my website, macroval.com. You can purchase any one of my 5 cookbooks and see all the other things that I have to offer to help you on your journey of living a whole foods lifestyle. So here's the kale chips. Remember, your journey to eating healthy begins with one small step. Let's make that small step kale chips.